A lot of people have dysfunction in their bodies. A really good way to understand how to get out of that dysfunction, how to get out of that pain, whether it's low back pain, neck pain, knee pain, anything pain related we can kind of call dysfunction. In order to get out of dysfunction, out of pain, you need to understand where you need to go, and where you need to go is a place called neutral. Equilibrium and balance in between the muscles in the front of the body and in the back of the body. So we can understand neutral as this diagram here. So this triangle is the pelvis. The muscles that attach to the pelvis are going to be the back muscles on top, the abs in front, the quads down below, and the hamstrings behind. In a neutral body with a neutral pelvis, the pelvis is even and we have equal length between the hamstrings, the quads, the abs, and the back. That's what neutral looks like. Now, that's not really always the case. Most people generally are going to fall into something called extension. The reason for that is because we have organs in the front of our body that pull our body forward, which causes this pelvis to roll forward, which over-shortens. We're going to go S for short. Hamstrings become over-lengthened. The back muscles become over-shortened, and then the abs become over-lengthened. The muscles that are shorter are going to be more taut, more tight, generally are going to be stronger. Now, the muscles that are longer are also going to be tight. If your resting posture is this, and you go to stretch your hamstrings, because your resting posture is already this, when you go to stretch your hamstrings, they're going to feel like they're tight. It's a resting posture issue. It's not anything necessarily related to how flexible you are. It's about your resting posture. In order to get out of extension towards neutral, you actually have to put yourself into flexion, which is the opposite of extension. So you have to learn how to lengthen the quads, how to shorten the hamstrings, how to shorten the abs, and how to lengthen the back. So you have to do everything opposite of what extension is. You have to put yourself in flexion. You have to learn how to get into posterior pelvic tilts, how to shorten the hamstrings, how to shorten the abs, and then you will get closer to neutral.